Welcome, friends. Are you tired of unwanted cats using your garden as their personal litter box and digging soil in pots and beds? Today, I am giving a natural, pet-safe solution to keep cats away using essential oils, including a most powerful oil that will instantly repel cats from your garden. This method is 100% non-toxic, costs only pennies, and really works. I have not found a single cat poop in my garden beds since I started using it. Why cats poop in gardens? First, let us understand why cats love your garden as their litter box. This is because of loose and soft soil that is ideal for digging and burying their waste. Plus, they are marking their territory. This can damage plants, spread parasites, and create an unpleasant environment. But don't worry, we can outsmart them with scents they hate. How essential oils work. Cats have super sensitive noses, about 40 times stronger than ours. Some essential oils have strong smells that cats naturally avoid, thus effectively keep cats from pooping in your garden. The best part, these oils are non-toxic when used correctly and won't harm your plants or the environment. Choosing the right essential oils. Here are the top 4 essential oils to deter cats. Lavender, cats dislike its floral, calming scent. Peppermint, its sharp, minty aroma is a big no-no for cats. Citrus like lemon or orange, cats hate anything tangy and citrusy. Olbas oil, a potent blend of eucalyptus, peppermint, clove and other oils that creates a strong, minty herbal scent cats can't stand. Use Olbas oil as a super effective cat repellent. Use it for natural way to keep cats out of your garden forever. Make sure to use 100% pure, high-quality essential oils for the best results. Avoid synthetic colorants. Do not use essential oils like tea tree oil, which are toxic to cats even in small amounts. DIY essential oil recipe. Now let us make a simple homemade effective cat repellent. You will need a clean spray bottle, essential oil, use Olbas oil for instant effect, water, dishwashing liquid soap, cotton balls. Optional, white vinegar for added repelling effect. Steps. Fill the spray bottle with water, about half a liter. Add 10 to 15 essential oil drops. If using Olbas oil, start with 5 to 7 drops since it is stronger. Add liquid soap to help the oil mix with water. Optional step. You can add some white vinegar to increase deterrent power. Cats hate vinegar smell also. Shake well to mix the ingredients. How to apply the spray. To effectively deter cats, you need to apply essential oils strategically. Here are 3 practical ways for a longer lasting effect and create a cat-free zone while maintaining a safe and pleasant garden environment. Pro tip: test the spray on a small plant area first to ensure it doesn't affect your greenery. 1. Spray the mix around the edges of your garden, near plants, and in spots where cats like to dig. Reapply every few days or after rain. 2. Soak cotton balls in the mixture and place them in problem areas. 3. Mulch additive. You can add the mixture in the mulch to deter cats. Safety tips. Never spray directly on cats, it could irritate their skin or eyes. Use diluted oils. Undiluted oils, especially bulbous oil, is too intense for pets and plants. This method is about repelling cats, not harming. Bonus tips for cat-proof garden. 1. Add some vinegar in your spray for extra deterrent power. 2. Reapply regularly. Essential oils evaporate quickly. Its effect will fade in a few days. Reapply every 2 to 3 days, or after rain. Consistency is key. 3. Lay down chicken wire or prickly woody chips or mulch on your pots and garden beds. Cats hate walking on it. Four. Plant cat-repellent plants like rosemary or Coleus canina. 5. Use a motion-activated sprinkler for a high-tech solution. 6. Close all entry points. I put wire mesh at gate gaps. I put chicken wire mesh on fence also to prevent cats from entering. And there you have it, a natural, effective way to keep cats from pooping in your garden using essential oils, including the super powerful bulbous oil. Try it out, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more eco-friendly gardening tips. See you next time. Thanks for watching.